All right. Well, it is that time, I guess, if I do a twice monthly update, which sometimes there's a reason to, and it's all good. So grateful. Look at this major turnaround from 1 month. I'll show you around, but it's unbelievable. I'm sure you remember it was all red and brown, and look how big the loofahs are. Yard long beans going, oh my gosh. Yeah, so, everything is doing wonderfully, or made a comeback now. So, that's super exciting. There's going to be actually food. I just harvested 3 more lemon cucumbers, and which is nice to have a cucumber salad and all of the yummy stuff that summers are for, right? Well, hello there, RuPaul. Even these little baby jasmine, it was a little start, and it's actually starting to grow. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Did I show you the passion fruit? It's insane. Okay. The passion flowers. Look at all these fruits. Yeah, it's completely off the hook, and I am so excited and grateful, and I am really just grateful that I stuck it out and didn't give up like everyone else did. Because how would I look? Even if everything was gonna fail, there's only another month of trying anyways, right? Like, why would you do all that work just to not? So that was my reasoning, sticking out a little bit longer. And thankfully, it has paid off. Clearly there were lots of losses this year. It looks like my next generation of tomatoes are pretty happy. Peppers, and there's a few down there, the older ones that are doing great too. But even the vines, I've had to plant so many times in the drought. I literally went through all of my seeds. It was insane. So I don't know what's coming up where, but I know stuff is coming up, and that's what matters. Even the strawberries, strawberries made a comeback. What else? I can't remember. Everything. Squashes, cukes, maters. I can't eat that pear yet, but I need it. The sacred circle, of course. Everything has, cut out all the dead and replace it with new, kind of like life. Even the clematis made a comeback. Because these things are done. They weren't blooming. They're just like, I'm tired. Okay, leave us alone. Yep. Yeah, look at that. Oh, those beautiful water drops. We got another rain last night. So, that's amazing. Let's see, Bobby. The grapes have been taken off and going really well. Let's put you up there. Some of the dealer damage made recoveries, a little bit. And all sorts of new stuff popping up. Oh my gosh, speaking of new stuff, I was gifted a bunch of baby plants that rescues. They're like animal rescues, but plants. And so I have been enjoying, oh wow, look at this little baby. All right. I've been enjoying finding spots for the new babies. Oh, look at that one. You're doing really nice here. So proud of you, big boy. Look, this kiwi is even done all right, but the trellis, I don't know, cats. So I need to get that closer to the fence. Bobby, come on. But yeah, I've been taking in some little rescues and trying to get them in the ground and see what happens. And most should come back. Goats and dogs. They've been having fun. Oh, look at Penny. Hello, Penny. So she's decided she doesn't really want to be in there. And she would rather just hang out right outside of there and protect everyone at night from out here. Which is great. I haven't had any dealer damage. Hello, pretty girl. So, love you. Yeah, love you. Love you. Oh, yeah, and that. It's better, and I'm working like regular, everything. Wound closed and all that. Just a little, like, rough. I don't want to, like, hit it or anything. Good morning, Glory. Yeah, all sorts of new babies popping up everywhere, which definitely, and the new plants makes up for what I lost, kinda. I'm still mad about this lemon balm, but I'm hoping something comes back from the roots. That's a few peppers. Gonna have a little bit of hot sauce at least, like the black beans even actually made it. Yeah, so man, here we are, the end of August. Of the summer of no ending. It was insane. It was rough. It was the hardest summer ever. Hardest time ever, really. I think the moral of the story, though, is never give up. Yeah, I know we're tired. Yeah, I know we're old. I know all that. I know. But then what are you here for? If you're not here to stress yourself and see what you can do. Really? I mean, what else are you here for? Oh, I love these. Yeah, so still waiting for the figs to produce. And yeah, been harvesting as much as I can for, look at this little baby. Do you remember when it was just one little pad put in the ground? All of these bare roots, that are now trees. It's unbelievable, really. So I don't know, y'all might not be as excited as me, but it's pretty exciting to me, Cut down all the hollyhocks already, but they want to come back, and that's fine. Got no problem with that. Hello, Oreo. Yep, I got no problem with... Whoa. Hey! Wow. Wow, this is a real fight. Hey guys, stop it. The fuck? Hey, oh, leave my comfrey and stuff alone. Okay. Yeah, I guess Neptune still hates everyone. Makes sense. Is that Bruiser? Bruiser! 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 Aww. Oops, even chives are going well. The birds got out yesterday, if you saw that video. High winds, and it was hilarious. So I had to have fun with it and let you laugh too. Not that anybody cares, but I don't care. As long as I'm entertaining myself, I'm good, right? Chaseberry's doing good. It looks like, wow, yep. Wow. Little herbies off the side. Baby calendula baby time, but you're getting so big. Might be able to harvest you earlier this year than the last couple years. Passion fruit. I think that'll be the next peel jam because, you know, it's the best jam in town. Oh, look at all the colors. Yeah. All right. And so this was the baby banana who had this baby last fall. And look, she's having another little baby. So we're going to have a big old banana family here soon. Yeah. Chickens, you know. But that's all right. I've got there's a volunteer melon over here too. There's a couple of them on there. Can't really see them. Yeah. Okay, whatever, who cares? You'll see them eventually. As if you care. All right. But, here's the update. And August cookie. Here's the Arabica coffee. All the limes and oranges, lemons, persimmon. Sorry, not persimmon, pomegranates. They're doing good. Need to step up the security here at Ozarks Church of Nature. Oh no! Somebody's eating my passion fruit. Alright. Huh. Guess the alligator isn't doing all that good, is he? Picking that holy basil like crazy. There's a few of them. So every day you just cut off all the top snips, and that's how you keep getting it getting bushier and biggier, bushier. Yeah. Oh, somebody must have got here last night. All right. Hopefully that wasn't Penny, but yeah, that's, these are all sponges. So it looks like I'll have enough to actually sell this year. And they keep coming, all the babies. Look how cute. Oh, the babies. I don't think those will get full size, but yeah, check for that on mytruessence.net or Facebook pages. Here's some rescues. Get to work, right? Yeah, man, this is the life, I guess. This is what I work all year for, to just have this. Oh, it's so gorgeous. What do you think, Oreo? I love your mustache. It's so fancy. And what about you? Is Neptune giving you a hard time? Sorry. Alright, let's see, I'm sure. A mess. But hey, whatever. We made it. And I really think I'm going to have, like, you know, at least 2 more months of food producing, finally. And if the cucumbers keep up, then I'll be able to actually maybe jar a couple pickles this year. But I guess even just picking them off the vine and sticking them in my mouth are awesome. But yeah, it's morning. My morning duties, poop duties and stuff are over. So I'm going to go have some coffee and cool off. Summer. Yeah, but let me know how your garden and stuff is doing and what you learned this year or anything cool like that. I'm definitely gonna continue to fill up as much as I can, as fast as I can with native plants and keep it going. You know, you win some, you lose some. I'm definitely, you know, lost a little bit, and I'll probably lose more, but we're always gaining with that too, right? It's just making room for something new, new knowledge, new plants. So, all right. Oh, here you go, kitty love, because they're so awesome. Yeah, love you, Bruiser. Love you, Thorthor, our #1 agent. All right, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're all here. I'm glad you're here. All right, bye.